Welcome to the last part of the Weekend Dev Challenge 30. So here we have one more mini project, that is the online food delivery performance analytics project. So here again we have we have three tables, that is orders table, delivery partners table, and restaurants table. And then we have certain tasks, that is fetch all orders, fetch all restaurants. Let's see one by one. Let's see the query. So the first task is fetch all orders. We have to fetch all the orders. So the query is very simple. We have been seeing this throughout. So select star is star gives you everything. Here we need all the orders, so everything. Select star from orders, order by order ID or order time, whatever there we want. Order by order time. Next, select fetch all restaurants. Select star from restaurants, order by restaurant ID. Very simple. Next, select all delivery partners. Select star from delivery partners, order by partner ID. So these three things are done. Now comes the analytics queries. These things are basics in all this mini projects. Now, average delivery time per restaurant. How much time does one restaurant take on an average for delivery? So select restaurant name and round the total average delivery time into two places, and then take it as average delivery time from the restaurants table. Join with the orders table basis on the basis of restaurant ID equal to restaurant primary key restaurant ID and the order restaurant ID, where order status is delivered. So status should be delivered. Order should be delivered. It should be fulfilled. Group by restaurant ID. Order by average delivery ID in ascending order. So the lowest delivery time comes first for that restaurant. That particular restaurant with lowest delivery time comes first. Next, restaurants with highest number of cancellations. So the query is almost similar to this, but here we have to take the total count as cancellation count, and we have to take the order status as cancelled. Here we took it as delivered. Here it should be taken as cancelled and in the descending order. So this particular restaurant has highest number of cancellations, or these many cancellations, etc., etc. All right. The next query is select restaurants by delivery success ratio. How do we check the delivery success ratio? We'll check the total number of successfully delivered orders divided by total number of orders. We'll get the total number of successfully delivered orders. Now select restaurant name as restaurant name and round sum of the total. If it is delivered, if the order status is delivered, then we take it as 1 or else 0. Now total number of ones divided by total number of count. So if there are 7 successful orders out of 10, so that basically gives 7 out of 10 into 2 decimal places as success ratio. From restaurants, join orders table on the basis of restaurant ID as the primary key, group by restaurant ID, and order by success ratio descending order. Simple. Now, the time gap between consecutive orders by the same customers. So we have LAG here. Remember, for time gap of anything which you have to take the previous one, then we use LAG. So select customer ID and order time. LAG order time. So basically this is the current order time. LAG order time over partition by customer ID. So we'll get the previous order of each customer on the basis of customer ID. Then we take it as previous order time. So then we calculate current order time and previous order time difference from the orders table, order by customer ID and order time. Now, last query of this weekend and this project as well. Busiest hours of the day. Now, how do we check that? Is basically we select substring, the substr, order time 12 to. What is this order time 12 to? So basically we're selecting the order time on the 24-hour scale, and we're taking the second part, that is the R. That R scale we're taking, and we're adding one more, this hyphen. Then what we are doing here is we are adding 1 to that particular range. We are converting that into integer and adding 1. For example, if the time we get is 14, that is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we're doing 14-15. So anything between 14 and 15 in that 1 hour range scale. So that's what we're doing here. As total number of orders, you have to count that total as the total number of orders from orders table, group by R range. In that R range, it should be grouped. So then we get the busiest hours of the day, order by total orders in the descending order. Let me run the program. All right. So these are all the total number of orders. Let's see one by one. Restaurants, partners, average delivery time. So you can see Spice Hub is that restaurant whose delivery time is lowest. They gave in 33.33 minutes. Then Pizza Palace 37.67. Then Green Ball 38.61 and so on. Most cancellations. Pizza Palace has the most number of cancellations, that is the 4 cancellation count. Lowest is the Spice Hub, just 1. Success ratio. So Pizza Plus has the least number of success ratio, just 6 out of 10 orders delivered. Green Ball has the highest number of success ratio. Order gaps, you can see this customer the current order time we can see. Then the busiest hours you can see. So this is what I said, the range. The busiest hour is between 12 and 1 in the afternoon. We have 8 orders, and the lowest is the not most busy, not very busy hour is the in the evening, that is between 5 and 6. We have just 1 order. So let me submit the program. I hope you guys have understood this. If you have any doubts, let me in the comments below. I'll answer them. And yeah. So the test cases have passed, and that's it for this video, and that's it for this weekend as well. If you want to practice most test problems or get yourself ready for interviews, then you can go pro on CodeChef, and you can practice all these problems on the CodeChef platform. So give this a try, and I'll see you in the next weekend. Thank you.